Ah, what a lovely day it is. Now I've got Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, and it's one of the best sequels from 1984, and I'm finally going to watch it. Oi, you! Wait, who said that? It's me, Bart, from The Simpsons. Can't you see, um, Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom has got a THX logo? Wait, does it? Let me see. Did it see? Oh my god, it's on the front. Oh. What about the back? Wait, it's on the back? Oh, it does have the THX logo, right. But who cares? I'm gonna watch it. How does the THX logo possibly be? I don't know, Sniffles. You have to find out. Yeah, I'm gonna watch and see it. Let's see. Huh? Oh, wait a minute. There's no Paramount Home Entertainment logo. That was quick. An hour on the menu. Actually, don't know why, but actually, let's play the film. Whoa! Whoa! That was a good adventure, that roller coaster. Now, let's see what the THX... Let's see it in... Oh god, I know what it is! Oh no, THX! No! Told you about this. Oh, thanks, Bart. It's the Oh, it's finished. I'm gonna watch it. Okay. Yep, Paramount Pictures presents. Oh well. Goodbye.